History will be made this week when cannabis becomes legal in Canada. City officials, lawmakers here in Calgary say they're ready for this city to go green, and they're not just blowing smoke. 2 retail stores will be ready to go off the start. The city has issued 10 business licenses, so 8 are still waiting to hear from the AGLC. Recreational smoking will still be banned in Calgary's public places. This includes smoking, vaping, and edibles. An exception will be made for those who need medical marijuana.
Cannabis consumption is prohibited on Calgary transit properties and vehicles. Provincial regulations do not allow for cafes or lounges for the consumption of cannabis. The cannabis consumption bylaw is enforceable by the Calgary Police Service, City of Calgary Community Peace Officers, and Calgary Transit Peace Officers.
Zablosky says violators could face a $100 fine. Festivals and events in Calgary can apply to have a designated cannabis consumption area. Driving while impaired, still a concern for traffic investigators and city officials.
Driving while impaired by cannabis is illegal and can lead to criminal charges and prison time. Research from the Canadian Centre of Substance Use and Addiction shows that on average, cannabis use doubles the risk of being involved in a collision.
Stakeholders say there is no safe amount of cannabis to use while driving, but first responders here won't be using the Draeger 5000. While concerns have surfaced about the roadside weed testing device, the CPS are waiting for the ministry to make a province-wide decision on any sobriety tools that they will be using in their arsenal.
It's just simply the same requirement as alcohol that an employee respond to work fit for duty.
Zablosky says they've anticipated as much as they can here. They'll continue to monitor the situation and report back to council. Calgary's entire cannabis legalization framework has been posted on the city website. At Calgary City Hall, Ian Campbell, City News.